Hey guys, it's Spencer from Splash Tech Reviews, and I'm bringing you the unboxing of the Nextbook Ares 8. It's a budget tablet at $78, and it has Lollipop, which is really good for a budget tablet. And it has an Intel 3735G processor and Bluetooth 4.0, micro HDMI, Wi-Fi, and of course Google Play. And has an 8-inch 720p screen, IPS, and it has a 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera and 2 megapixel rear camera, and it has 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and it has a micro SD card slot for up to 64 gigabytes, and a 1 gigabyte of DDR3 RAM, and a 4000 milliamp hour battery, and of course Bluetooth, as I said before. And let's open this up. Got this at Walmart yesterday for $78. Okay, got this open. There we go. Let's see what it's like. Put that aside. It's alright. In this, it has a micro USB cord and a wall adapter. Alright. And in here's the main tablet. Let's set that aside. And in here it has just paperwork like Voodoo and an instruction manual and quick start guide to help you get started. And let's put that all back. And let's take a look at the tablet. So on the top it has the micro HDMI port, micro USB, and the headphone jack, and micro SD card slot and microphone. And on the back it has the 2 megapixel camera, and it's pretty clear on the back. Here's the speaker. Feels soft like rubber. And on the bottom there's nothing. On the side there's a home button, a volume rocker, and the power button. And then on the left side there's nothing. Feels pretty light. And let's get this screen protector off. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Feels like a pretty nice tablet for $78. Let's turn it on. There we go. Let's see how quickly it turns on. This tablet just came out recently. Came out about 3 weeks ago. And I had one of the previous versions. It was a Nextbook 8, but only with Android 4.1. And this one is Lollipop, so I got an upgrade. The screen looks nice. It's pretty skinny and tall. Oh, there we go. It's on. And I already set it up, but seems to be pretty fast. And the screen looks nice. Can't really pick out the pixels. And I've never had a lollipop device, but looks pretty nice. So there's the unboxing. Tell me in the comments below what you'd like to see in the full review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.